With great pride and enthusiasm, I warmly welcome you all to the District Festival of Talents 2026 here in the District of Libacao. Today is a celebration of knowledge, creativity, excellence, and the remarkable talents of our learners. This special gathering features exciting and intellectually enriching contests such as His2Pop para sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas Quiz, PopDev Quiz B, the 19 Martyrs Quiz B, Poster Making Contest, and Essay Writing Contest. These activities are not only competitions, but meaningful platforms for our learners to deepen their understanding of history, population, development, civic awareness, and to express their ideas through art and writing. Allow me to extend our sincerest gratitude and acknowledgement to our very supportive Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Jude Ulysses B. Ruiz, whose leadership and guidance continue to inspire excellence in our district. We also recognize the presence of our dedicated school heads, district social studies coordinators for elementary and secondary levels, school social studies coordinators, hardworking coaches, committed teachers,